Why do complex logic puzzles often have simple solutions? Imagine looking at a puzzle that seems to have 100 clues and thinking it must be impossible to solve. Yet, when you finally crack it, the answer turns out to be surprisingly straightforward. That's because many complex logic puzzles are designed so that their solutions are simple once you understand the core idea. The apparent complexity often comes from how the information is presented, not from the actual logical structure. These puzzles usually have a limited set of facts and rules. When you analyze them carefully, they lead you step by step to one clear answer. The key is in recognizing patterns, eliminating impossible options, and making logical inferences. This process helps you narrow down choices until only one remains. Most logic puzzles give you clues that fit into categories or sequences. Even if there are many elements involved, each clue typically provides just a small piece of information. When you connect these clues using basic logical principles, such as if one thing is true then another cannot be true, or if A is related to B and B to C, then A is related to C, you can rule out many options. Using a grid or table makes it easier to keep track of what you've eliminated and what's still possible. This systematic approach ensures that every clue contributes to narrowing down the options. The reason the final solution is simple is because the puzzle is designed that way. Many puzzles use patterns like mutual exclusivity, where only one choice can be correct, or transitive relations, which link different clues together. These patterns guide you toward the answer naturally. For example, once you find out that a certain person cannot have a specific attribute, you can cross that option off and focus on the remaining possibilities. Over time, this process reveals the correct matches without guesswork. From a numbers perspective, logic puzzles show how structured reasoning and numerical relationships work together. They often involve counting, ordering, and matching sets of numbers or categories. These patterns encode logical rules that help you solve the puzzle. This connection between numbers and logic highlights how seemingly complicated scenarios can be broken down into elegant solutions through numerical reasoning. Understanding why complex puzzles have simple solutions can help you improve problem-solving skills in many areas. It teaches you to break problems into smaller parts, recognize patterns, and follow consistent rules. These skills are useful in computer science, mathematics, and even everyday decisions. When you see a puzzle, remember that beneath the surface of complexity, there is often a straightforward logical path to the answer. The design of these puzzles ensures that once you find the pattern, the solution becomes clear and simple.